Let's go ahead, everybody.
Recording in progress.
Chalo, good afternoon. Let's go ahead. ठीक है, we were still in total income. So basically, we are practicing lots of questions, है ना? Question number 7 in your notebook. चलो write down. Question number 7. Ready? From the following details, ready now, bachcho, everybody? From the following details, compute the total income of Siddhant of Delhi and tax payable for AY 23-24 as per normal provisions and as per 115 BAC. That both we'll see, okay? This we'll see later on. But you have to compute as per normal provisions, whatever we have done till now in the syllabus. And 115 BAC we'll do it later on. Chalega? Advice which is better. That we'll see, okay? First, let's compute normal provisions. Salary including DA. So DA is part of it. Bonus. Salary of servant provided by the employer. Perquisite. Rent paid by Siddhant for his accommodation. This can come into HRA, but HRA is not given to us. है ना? How much HRA he gets? Bills paid by employer for gas, electricity and water provided free of cost at above flat is rupees 11,000. Again perquisite. है ना? Siddhant purchased a flat in a cooperative housing society in Delhi for 4,75,000 in April 13. Make it 13. He purchased a flat, which was financed by loan from LIC of India at rupees 1,60,000 at 15% interest. His own savings 65,000 and a deposit from a nationalized bank 2,50,000 to whom this flat was given on lease for 10 years. Just understand what is happening here. Pay attention. He purchased a flat 2013, okay? What is the price of the flat, bachcho? 4,75,000. Okay? Yes, Chalia? This 4,75,000, bachcho, they are saying how it has been arranged by taking a loan of 1,60,000. Okay, everybody? Loan from whatever, LIC. LIC gives loan also. There is LIC housing also. Yes. Then his own savings of 65,000. Bachcho. This is 125 something, है ना? 125 this, so 225 total, and remaining 2.5 lakhs, and a deposit from a nationalized bank. Basically, he had his FD. Okay, so FD is broken. Do you understand meaning of that? FD is broken. Did you understand? It is his savings only. Bank has not given him FD or bank has not given him any other loan. Okay. But he had a FD with this bank and he has broken the FD. Now pay attention. To whom? That means the same bank. Okay? Bank FD to the same bank. To whom this flat was given on lease for 10 years. Basically this property, okay, whatever example they have given. This property was given on a lease to a bank for 10 years. Yes, Chalia, everybody? The rent payable by bank was rupees 3,500 per month, very negligible, but still. So it is a let out property which he owns. The following particulars are relevant. Municipal taxes paid by Siddhant. Then house insurance is useless. He earned 2,700 in share speculation business and lost 4,200 in cotton speculation business. Both are bachcho speculation income and loss. The loss can be set off only against such income. Make it bachcho 1819. In 1819, he had gifted 30,000 to his wife and 20,000 to his son, who was aged 11 that time. The gifted amounts were advanced. So basically, bachcho, who is the assessee first? Siddhant, na? So the Siddhant to wife and Siddhant to minor. And the gifted amounts were advanced, that means given on loan. Advance means loan. Was given as loan to Rajesh, who was paying interest at the rate of 19% per annum. What is this overall concept about? Tell me this. What do you think? What comes to your mind? Which concept comes to your mind? I want that. Anybody? Very good, Mansi. Others? Bolo fatafat. All of you tell me. Clubbing. Correct. Clubbing bachcho will happen over here. So whatever interest is coming in the hands of his wife and child, it will be clubbed in the hands of Rajesh. Yes, Shalia? Sorry, not Rajesh. Who? Assessee Siddhant. The child is but still minor or no? In 1819 they had given, it was advanced to that minor, and he was age only 11. So but still in the current year also he is still a minor. So minor's bachcho income will be clubbed, right? And exemption will also be available of 1500. Hai na? Siddhant received a gift of 25,000 each from his 4 friends. What happens? Taxable or no? Bolo. Correct, na? Taxable. Yes, this entire 1 lakh rupees will be taxable. He contributed 50,000 to PPF. So again, ATC, nothing great. So only challenge, or you can say the level of difficulty little bit is in the chapter of salaries, that's it. And that also, everything is almost straightforward. Okay? Easy but you getting any HRA? Nope. Okay, pay attention bachcho. Okay, let me just ask you how much I have revised. You will be able to answer accordingly. Pay attention, just pay attention. So he gave this property to Nationalized Bank bachcho on lease, remember? Na? What if bachcho instead of 10 years, I'm just asking you, what if instead of 10 years, this is 15 years? Does it make any difference? Very good, Mansi. Others? What if bachcho, if instead of 10 years, I make it as 15 years? Lease more than 12 years, in that case the lessee is deemed owner under section 27. Okay, this we had done in the chapter of clubbing. Okay, basically section 27, but we had done that in the chapter of clubbing. Okay, can we go ahead? Yeah, chalo. What do you do? Obviously find total income, है ना? Compute income and tax also, obviously will do that, but firstly as normal provisions. Ready bachcho? Chalo quickly. How many heads of income we have? At least bachcho 2 to we have na. 3 also. PGBP we have, but PGBP bachcho we have loss. Loss is more. Then HP and what? Salaries. So computation, right? Chalo computation of. ठीक है, ready everybody? Income from salaries first. income from salaries. First one, it is basic plus DA. How much? 3,35,000. Yes, Celia. Bonus 11,000. Now we have salary under section 17.2, that is perquisites. Salary of servant, correct everybody? This is always income, na? $12,000. Rent paid by Siddhant for his accommodation. But does it have any impact? Because HR is not given to us. Hi Anna. Yes, everybody. So what can come to your mind? If HR is not received but rent is paid by any person for his personal residential accommodation, very good. Then section 80 GG can come into your picture. Can come into picture. Okay. In the question, but we will not give 80 GG. The reason being he owns a house property. So if a person owns a house property, then he can't claim 80 GG. Okay. Fine. I think there was more expenditure, na? Further more expenditure. Gas, electricity, water also 11,000. Okay, so I'm writing free, whatever. Free of cost only. Free gas, water, electricity, gas. $11,000. Yes, Celia? है ना? No other income? Gross salary. Give me how much, बच्चों? 22. 5. 369,000. Is it right? Yes, Celia? Less what? Tell me. Standard deduction under section 61A of 50,000 है ना? तो income from salary is 3,19,000. Yes, tell all of you. 3,19,000. Done. Second, income from house property. Income from house property. हाँ कुछ दिया है. Is it anything is given for us? Rent? Nothing. So whatever rent is received, we'll take it as GAV. Correct? How much it is? 3,500 per month, no? Nothing. 42,500 something. 42,000. Less. Deduction under section 24. A. Standard deduction at the rate of 30% of NAV. है ना? 12,600. अच्छा, municipal taxes, sorry. Right, you're so right. Correct. Less municipal taxes paid. How much it is given to us? 4,300. Therefore, NAV, net asset value. How much, bachcho? 37,700. Is it right? And 30% of NAV. How much? 11,310. Check. Okay. And B, do we have interest on borrowed capital? Yes. Refer note, because they have not given you all the details, so you have to assume something. What assume something, bachcho? That the principal amount is not a rebate. That you have to assume, unfortunately. Okay? Because they have given you rate of interest also. So loan amount 1,60,000 and here bachcho 15%. है ना? Remember? So I'm here writing here 1,60,000 into 15%. Okay, 24. Correct now? The income from house property. How much? 2,390, something like that. Tell me. Third, business income. We don't have anything positive, but is it speculative in nature? Yeah. Speculative income. $2,700 less speculative loss is 4,200, but we'll only obviously be able to set up only 2,700. No, we'll be able to set up only 2,700. Yes, Tilya. That note we can write down. Okay, how much we can carry forward, right, Tilya? And what other income we have, bachcho? Gift, हाँ. So iOS is there. So fourth one. Income from other sources. Income from other sources. Ready? That interest bachcho will be clubbed. Do you remember or no? Clubbing of income, and it is interest. It was the amount was given to Rajesh as loan. So income which you are earning is interest, and interest bachcho where do we charge? iOS. So even clubbing bachcho will be done in iOS. I hope that law you remember. The income wherever it is taxable, in the same head of income it will be clubbed, right? Arey haan. Write down. First one. Interest earned by minor son. Clubbed under section. What you can you give me clubbing section 60? Tell me it is what? First clubbing and then we will take exemption. That one, what you are saying. Clubbing will be done in which section? There is some section for clubbing, bachcho. Yes, 64 1A, very good. 64 1A, good. Now we don't know his wife's income and all of that, so we are clubbing in his hands. Okay, everybody. Minor bachcho goes to parent whose income is higher. How much the minor earned? Did you understand? Based on 20,000. Arey haan ya na. And rate of interest bachcho 19%. 38. How much it is? 3,800. Arey haan. This will be clubbed. Less. Exempt. Under section 1032. This one you remember. Every child you get bachcho what? 1,500 exemption. Maximum 1,500, no doubt. Okay? Fine. Done na? And B, interest earned by wife, na? Wife. Clubbed under section 64 1 4. Okay? That is 64 1 4. She was given 30,000 into 19%. 57? Correct? Done, everybody? This was about interest income but being clubbed. And C, gift from friend exceeding rupees 50,000 under section 56 to 10. 1 lakh entirely बच्चों है ना, entirely 1 lakh. Done, everybody? Give me iOS. iOS is how much? Is it 1 lakh 8,000 something? Correct? So first बच्चों give me gross total income. How much is GTI? How much GTI? 429 390, is it right? Okay, thank you, correct. 429 390. Okay. Less what? Chapter 6A deduction. I think there is only one deduction. Section 80C. PPF contribution. Okay. PPF. How much it is? 50,000 only. Any other investment? No, na बच्चों, है ना? Net taxable income. $379, $390, है ना? God. They've asked tax also and tax payable. Okay, tax liability and above, write down. Calculation of tax liability, but will be nil only. Okay, particulars rupees. First one, basic income tax. हाँ है ना? चलिए बच्चों, basic income tax is how much? 3,79,390 minus 2,50,000 into 5%. 6,470, is it right बच्चों? Yeah, and less rebate. Total tax liability. Yes, all of you. Can you go ahead? Chalo. Write down notes. First one. Since India doesn't exceed rupees 5 lakhs, rebate under section 87A allowed. Right, everybody? Okay. Second. It is assumed that entire housing loan is not repaid, है ना? Correct, no? That's how we charge interest, by the way, correct? Therefore, principal amount deduction not considered under section 80C. Did you realize or no? Because in 24A बच्चों we take on accrual basis, है ना, the interest part. 80C we take only on a payment basis. Yes, everybody? अरे हाँ, correct. All right, good. ठीक है. Can you go ahead, everybody? Third. Ready? Speculative business loss can be set off against speculative income. Therefore, balance loss of rupees. How much was the cotton loss? 4200 minus बच्चों we could set up only 2700 है ना, कर लिया, so 1500 ना, will be carried forward up to next 4 years है ना, up to next 4 years. And fourth one, the reason बच्चों why are we not taking 80GG, okay? 80GG deduction not considered since he owns a HP. He owns a HP. Yes, still here, all of you? Done? Everybody? Done also? What? Done. Okay. Let's go ahead, everybody. One of my most favorite questions, okay? Question number 10. 15.12. I find this question very interesting. It's nice. It's simple, but still nice. See, so simple, so cute, so small. है ना? Ready? All of you okay? Chalo, let's go with Akshay. Rosie and Mary are sisters, born and brought up in Mumbai. Rosie got married and settled at Canada in 1992. Mary got married and settled in Mumbai. Both of them are below 60 years. Whatever. Okay. Below it is given. The following are details of their income for the previous year ended 31st March 23. Ready? Rosie and Mary, they are below 60 years or above 60 years they want to give. Okay. ठीक है. Pension, they might have retired, possibly. So that's why pension. ठीक है. Pension received from state government, Mary, and pension बच्चों received from Canadian government, Rosie. Rosie is in बच्चों Canada ना, है ना? Rosie is in Canada. Okay. Then LTCG on sale of land at Mumbai. They sold the property, got gains. 112, correct na? This both will go under salaries. This 112 LTCG. Short-term capital gain on sale of shares of Indian national companies in respect of the STD was paid. STD is paid, so 111A. STCG. LIC premium paid, ATC. है ना? Premium paid to Canadian Life Insurance Corporation at Canada is also allowed. Under section ATC, that note we will write down later on. It is also allowed, bachcho. The point is, it should be spent during the year. Where it is spent, bachcho, there is not an issue about this expenditure. Okay, life insurance premium. Medical policy premium paid 80D. Investment in PPF 80C. Yeah. Rent received in respect of a house property in Mumbai. HP. Simple, everybody. Correct na? Chalega? Compute taxable income and tax liability of Mrs. Rosie and Mrs. Mary for AY 23-24. Yes, children all? No, let me at least just give you the format. Write down the income, computation of income. And tax liability is also asked. Wow, nice. Write down. Computation of. Total income. Of both Rosie and Mary, okay? For AY 23-24. Particulars rupees. Ready? Income from salaries, because pension is given na. See what all you have. You have salary, you have capital gains, and rent receipt, house property we also have. So first, let's start from income from salaries. They have the pension income, hai na? You should give their name ना. Rosie and Mary both have written ना. चलो ठीक है. तो write बच्चों Rosie, Mary. We write both बच्चों ठीक है. Separately for both of them. Income from salaries. First one. From state government. Who बच्चों? Mary got ना. हाँ. 60,000. Okay. Find till here. Less standard deduction under section 16(1)(a). 50,000. Yes, all of you. है ना? And B. From Canadian government. From Canadian government. 20,000. How much will take? 20, and then again deduction of 50,000. Is it right? Bolo. Very good. Very good. Others answer. Cred Mansi, Indrajit. How much will take? Will take but nothing. Why? Because Rosie is in Canada since 1992, given to us. So she is a non-resident बच्चों, and she is also getting her pension income from Canada. अरे हाँ या ना? So she is an NR, and the pension income is also बच्चों foreign income. तो बच्चों NR foreign income is not taxable in India. हाँ या ना? Correct, Kushbu, Nitin, clear, Akshay? Can we go ahead, everybody? All right. Write down. Since Rosie is NR and income is earned outside India, ठीक है बच्चों? So first head of income, बच्चों, we get income from salaries. $10,000 चलेगा? Second, income from house property. Income from house property. How much are they getting? 60 and 30, ठीक है? So that is again a GAV, NEV, nothing else is given to us. 60 and 30. The property purchase in Mumbai, na? So it is an Indian income. Yes, Chilia? So it is Indian income. Okay, so taxable even for Rosie. Less deduction under section 24B at the rate of 30% of NAV. Yes, 18 and 9. Yes, Celia. Again, that is what income from house property. $42 है ना? And 21 चलेगा all of you? Third, Income from capital gains. Income from capital gains. You what LTCG? Do you have that? We had LTCG, na? Correct. On sale of land, 1 lakh and 50,000. And second, STCG on sale of shares, sale of listed shares. This question बच्चों 111A है ना बच्चों, clear till here? I'm writing in bracket 111A. That is how much? 20 and 22 lakh 50. Right till here? Any other income? Interest? Anything? Check? No. So gross total income. Give me GTI. Is it 162? No salaries, na? So 162. For Rosie. And this person 331. Very negligible income बच्चों. 381 किधर से आया? Reduce 50 ना? Less chapter 6A deduction. है ना everybody? ATC. ATC. Ready? ATC. First one, LIC premium. Allowed बच्चों for both. This is what 10,000 no? 10,000. LIC again. LIC premium paid to Canadian company. ठीक है, सेम थिंग. तो डजेंट मैटर बच्चों for where you have taken the policy. Okay, so even if policy is outside, you will be allowed the deduction 40,000. PPF investment, or contribution, same thing, 20,000 है ना. And we have got ATD also. Now we have medical insurance premium second. ATC whatever that total will come to. Okay, second. ATD. Medical insurance premium paid 25,000. Done? All of you okay? 25, 45, 10, 55 है ना, and over here 40. Done or no, everybody? Now बच्चों, whenever you have CG and chapter 6A, you should बच्चों always be careful. Do you remember this? Why? CG and chapter 6A बच्चों, why you need to be careful? Okay, what else? Okay, not allowed. Okay, 111A not allowed, 111A not allowed, or any of those LTCG not allowed? Khushbu, Nitin, Akshay, what is not allowed from chapter 6A? 111A and 112, correct everybody? है ना, these are not allowed from CG, correct? Akshay, Indrajit, Nitin, Khushbu, understood now? Check here. How much you have, bachcho? This much. 112 and 111A. Check here. Is it 120? And this is 3. You know? That means apart from this. But refer to the textbook is what I'm telling you. Look in the volume 1 CG. Volume 1 or volume 2, whatever. So look in that tax rate table of capital gains. You know? That chapter 6 is not allowed from where. Anyways. Now over here, that means 120 and 3 lakhs from here, we can't reduce chapter 6A. So do I have any other income from where I can reduce chapter 6A? I have here 42. And here, bachcho, I have 21 and 10, 31. Are you getting my point? For Rosie, bachcho, we have 42,000 available. And for Mary, bachcho, we have 31,000 available. 42 and 31. 42 and 31 available. So out of 42, bachcho, I can take 40 here, no problem. But on the right hand side, bachcho, I have only 31,000 available. Not all of this I cannot take. Are you high now? Did you understand, everybody? You have to be, please, you have to be very, very careful, okay? Always very careful. Ready? Chalo. Right now. Total deduction under chapter 6A is restricted to income other than CG taxable under 111A and 112. Yes or no? Therefore, I'm writing much lower of in bracket 42,000. Okay? Or actual 40,000 bachcho is my limit. I mean the other incomes, no? Or actual chapter 6A. है ना? Expenditure. So how much will take bachcho? 40. Understood, Leo? And over here lower of how much are my other incomes? 31,000, no? Sorry. Or actual chapter 6A expenditure. In that case, bachcho, I'll take only 31,000. Because my total expenditure is of 55,000 almost, है ना? Clear, everybody? Done all of you? So this I'll be reducing chapter 6 से. Therefore net total income is 162 minus 40, है ना? 122 and this Mary correct, 3 lakhs, sorry, how much where is my GTI? 331 minus 31, so 3 lakhs. Yes, Celia. Not all of you? Yes? Sure. Now what is asked is tax liability calculation. Okay, so start, you try.
Recording stopped.
Try बच्चों.
Recording in progress.
Go assessee wise now. So first बच्चों, let us say for Rosie, calculate all of you, try on your own. Even pen drive students, app students, try on your own first. Get your own answer, then go ahead. Okay.
Recording stopped.
Okay, Indrajit. Try next one then. ओके नितिन, मुझको टैक्स अमाउंट चाहिए बेटा. ट्राई किया अक्षय, खुशबू? ओके गुड, ऑल ऑफ यू गेटिंग नियर बाय ओनली, गुड, अच्छी बात है. अक्षय गुड, ओके गुड गुड गुड, चलेगा. आगे बढ़े. Are you there, Divya?
Recording in progress.
Okay. Let's go at Rosie, na? Rosie or NR. Write down. Okay, everybody? Out of NTI of rupees 1,22,000. Okay? Correct? Basically, did you realize this 40, her chapter 6 deduction, okay, 40. We reduced Pracho from her HP income. हाँ है ना? HP income 42. And chapter 6 deduction बच्चों, chapter 6 deduction 40. So out of NTI of 122, her HP income now remains is rupees 2,000. Is it right? And CG income is rupees 1,20,000. Check बच्चों, in your competition also if you want you can check 120 है ना CG, because from CG we cannot reduce chapter 6 है ना. Find Elio. Now what is the difference between HP and CG income? HP is taxed at normal rates, CG बच्चों at special rates है ना. Next line. Ready, everybody? HP is taxed at slab rates, at normal rates. Yes, Celia? Therefore, unexhausted BEL is rupees how much, bachcho, tell me? 2,48,000. Do you agree, all of you? Understood or no? 2,50,000 is the BEL. 2,50,000 is the BEL, basic accession limit. Out of that, bachcho, 2,000 we are not taxing house property because of basic accession limit. Clear, clear? Can I reduce my CG or no from unexhausted BEL? Pakka? Good. Very good. Why? What is the reason? Benefit of annexation bachcho is allowed for 111A, 112A, 112 is allowed. So reason is not CG. Reason is not bachcho CG and all. It is allowed. But not allowed to NR. Are हाँ या ना? All of you clear till here? It is not allowed to NR. Okay, everybody? बच्चों, write down. It cannot be used against CG for non-resident assessee. Reason is बच्चों non-resident. Okay. Okay, everybody. Therefore, CG of rupees 1,22,000 fully taxable. Okay. सो एट स्पेशल रेट्स, है कि नहीं बच्चों? पर्टिकुलर्स इन रुपीज. यस चलिए. फर्स्ट वन, LTCG अंडर सेक्शन 112A ना बच्चों. हाउ मच? ₹1,00,000 है ना, इंटू 20%, 20,000. And second, STCG under section 111A, that is taxed again at 15%, not at slab rates ना. That income is what, 22,000 ना बच्चों? अरे हाँ, और 20,000, हाँ 20,000 करेक्ट, 20,000 ना, इंटू 15%. यस चलिए. 3, basic income tax 23. Currently all of you add what? We'll take rebate or no bachchu? We should take na. What do you think? Very good. CG is 120 total na, total CG is 120 na, so 1,00,000 and 20, correct? Any problem नितिन? ऊपर किधर? हाँ सॉरी, अच्छा ईयर, ओके ओके, या सॉरी, जैसे 120 बच्चों. ठीक है. ऑल राइट. 23,000 बच्चों, 4% is how much? 920 is it? $23,920. All right. Let's go ahead, everybody. Can you go ahead, everybody? Chalo. B for Mary. For Mary, okay. Again, basic national limit 2,50,000. Correct, Leo? Other than your CG, anything was remaining? Her CG is how much? 3 lakhs. बच्चों, अरे हाँ या ना? And income is also 3 lakhs. So only CG is taxable. Yes, Leo. So less. Okay, बच्चों, less. कैपिटल गेन्स है कि नहीं? अच्छा, वी हैव और नो? 3 lakhs we have ना? Is there a bifurcation of 3 lakhs? Yes. Yes, clear all of you? That there is a bifurcation of 3 lakhs also. So I can't reduce all 3 lakhs from 2,50,000. I can reduce all 3 lakhs from 2,50,000. Which one can I reduce? Or which one should I reduce first? Long term or short term? Long term. Why? Very good. Its tax rate is more, 20%. Understood? Understood on everybody? So from this bachcho 2,50,000, first I will reduce less LTCG under section 112. How much? 50,000. Okay. Okay, this is also unexhausted, this is also unexhausted. Balance unexhausted. Two lakhs less बच्चों STCG अंडर सेक्शन 111A है ना बच्चों. 2,50,000 but I'll take only बच्चों 2 lakhs. Understood or no? Even that I can reduce or no? Obviously I can reduce that. पक्का? Everything is allowed to be reduced, no? Yes. Correct, लिया. Therefore balance STCG under section 111A is what? 50,000 and is taxed at the rate of what बच्चों? 15% है ना? Yes, लिया. Therefore at special rates. $7,500. Will we give rebate or no now? Everybody? Yes. So let's rebate under section 87A. Therefore tax liability obviously is nil. Yeah, all of you? Notes. Done everybody? Notes. Chalo. First one. Unexhausted BEL cannot be availed by NR. Cannot be availed by NR. Therefore, Mrs. who? Mary can, na? Mary's बच्चों resident can adjust LTCG under section 112A and STCG under section not A, sorry, just A, just 112 and 111A from unexhausted BEL. Yes, Celia? Again, lastly, rebate under section 87A is not allowed for NR. For NR. There is one more point, sorry. Important one. We first reduce LTCG from BEL. We first reduce LTCG from BEL since its tax rate is higher. Since its tax rate is higher at the rate of 20%. And fourth one, also important. premium paid on life insurance policy outside India is allowed as deduction under section 80C. Okay, clear? Just like even in house property, बच्चों, we used to allow that expenditure. If municipal taxes of London or municipal taxes of outside India is paid, even that was allowed as deduction. है ना? Okay, Divya.
Recording stopped.
Divya is there or not there? Whether CA Inter Group 2 syllabus changed? Nobody knows actually. Nobody can guarantee that. November 23 onwards. May 23, no. May 23, and as it is, if it is remaining, it will go to Group 2. टेन मिनट्स ब्रेक चलेगा? सवा चार को मिलो मुझको, सवा चार को क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 करते हैं. वो भी एक ही क्वेश्चन कर पाएंगे हम लोग, बाकी फिर मुझको दूसरा कंसेप्ट चालू करना पड़ेगा. पूर्वी का भी क्वेश्चन बड़ा है, चेक करते हैं. कैन डू नहीं, पूर्वी का क्वेश्चन भी बड़ा है, बहुत बड़ा है वो तो क्वेश्चन. अच्छा ठीक है. हाँ या
Recording in progress.
that question which we had done of Siddhant, na, pay attention. They are also asking you, by the way, from 115 BAC point of view. Okay, where is it? अच्छा, this one you had done. So Rosie Mary we did ना. हाँ ठीक है. सिद्धांत, हाँ तो ठीक है. We will do it from 115 BAC point of view also later on. चलेगा. All these things will cover again. No problem. Okay. ठीक है. Fine.
Recording stopped.
ठीक है, 10 minutes break. सवा चार को मिलो. ठीक है, 4:15. आगे सब लोग टाइप करो, कमेंट करो फटाफट। चलो एक ही क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है अपने को। बढ़ेगा आगे, सब लोग कमेंट करो फटाफट। चलो रेडी एवरीबॉडी? अच्छा आगे सब लोग ना।
Recording in progress.
Okay. Question number. Come to 12. Question number 12. Question number 12. Ready? रेडी बच्चों? Pay attention, be careful a little bit, just pay attention nicely. Mr. Ashok owns a property consisting of two blocks of identical size. One property, two parts. The first block is used for, he owns also, no? For business purpose. That part which will go under PGPP by the way. The other block is let out from 1st April 22 to his cousin for 10,000 rupees per month. The cost of construction of each block is rupees 5 lakhs, fully met with the bank loan. I mean, the entire sponsorship was done by bank. The rate of interest on bank loan is 10% per annum. ठीक है? The concession was completed on 31st March 23. During the year ended 31st March 21, he had to pay a penal interest of 2,000 in respect of each block on account of delayed payments to bank for the borrowings. We have to ignore that amount. The normal interest paid by him in respect of each block was 42,000 paid by him. Okay, fine. Each block. Alright, whatever might be the case. Fine. Principal repayment for each block 23,000 made at the end of the year ATC. An identical block in the same neighborhood, fetches rupees 15,000 per month block. Okay. Municipal tax paid in respect of each block 12,000. So this becomes much majorly a question of house property. You know? The income computed in respect of business prior to adjustment of depreciation on any asset is 2,20,000. The depreciation but you have to provide compulsorily if you remember. You know? It is not an option. Depreciation on equipment was rupees 30,000. Okay, tell all of you? Are हाँ. Then on 23/3/21, he sold shares of B Limited, an unlisted company, for 2,30,000. We'll check this. Okay, maybe this is current year. Wait, okay. The share had been purchased. This is but current year only. Okay, this is not 21. This is 22 directly. The share had been purchased 10 months back for 1,80,000. It is but a short-term capital gain. Unlisted share. Brought forward business loss of a business discontinued in 12/1/23, you can say, is 80,000. The business is discontinued, whatever. The loss has been determined in pursuance of a return of income filed in time. ठीक है, वॉट एवर इट इज बच्चों, इट इज योर डिसकंटिन्यूड बिजनेस, ठीक है, एंड लॉस इज देयर. The following payments were done during the year: LIP, life insurance premium of 20,000 on his life, 12,000 for his son age 22, engaged as software engineer and drawing a salary of 25,000 rupees per month. But so for ATC, does it matter? Dependency or independency of the children matters or doesn't matter? Does not matter. ATC is allowed for nuclear family. Okay, all of you clear till here? Allowed, no? Medical premium 6,000 for himself, 5,000 for above son. This will not be allowed. For ATD बच्चों, independent children are not allowed. Okay, all funny things these are. The premiums were paid in check, so only 6,000 बच्चों will be allowed. You are required to compute total income for AY 23-24. The various heads of income should be properly shown. Ignore interest on bank loan pre-concession. Forget pre-concession interest, as the bank had waived the same they had given you in the adjustments. Okay, all of you? चलेगा? Let's start. How many heads of income you have? House property, PGBP and capital gains. 3. Do you have IOS or anything? No. Let's start बच्चों. चलो. Computation of total income of Ashok for AY 23-24. Particulars: rupees. Ready, all of you? Income from house property. First one. On the let out block. Okay. Let me ask you a question. There are two blocks or no? I have not discussed that point in detail. But there are two blocks. Clear, all of you? One block is given on rent. Okay, one block is given on rent. It gets rent of 15,000 something. Whatever. That is given something. One 10,000 per month it is given to cousin. But neighborhood rent is 15,000. Will take 15,000. Which that higher. But what about other block, bachcho? What about other block? What do we do of this? The other block is used for business purpose. What do we do of that? Tell me, everybody. Very good, Indrajit. Kushbu, Nitin, Akshay, do you remember? Mansi. What do we do of that block? Club. It is not SOP. The first block is used for business purposes. Section 22, na? House property charging section. Over there, but that time we had discussed. If the assessee owns the property and he uses for his own business, then bachcho it goes under PGBP. We have done this concept, bachcho. It goes under PGBP. So all the expenditure on that block will be allowed as business expenditure. We have done this, bachcho, before. Okay? We have done this before. In HP only itself, but we have done 2-3 questions based on this. We were, if you remember, I remember that rupees 10 lakhs interest was paid. Okay, on that property, and half was SOP and half was business, that property. So for SOP we took interest of only 2 lakhs, but so the second part, which was business, we took entire 5 lakhs, I mean one half of 10 lakhs. That question we had done. Do you remember that? If you don't remember, then again revise. Okay, your headache, you need to revise बच्चों. Clear है? It goes under PGPP. Expenditure on that part will be allowed under as business expenditure. Good, I discuss it with you. So that is under PGPP and no other expenditure is given to us. So we will not deal right now too much into it. Okay, right now. चलेगा? Done? So GAV बच्चों, higher of obviously 10,000 or 15,000 per month, है ना? So we're going to take 15,000 into 12. It is letter for entire 12 months, by the way, है ना? 1,80,000. Municipal taxes are paid, yes, in respect of each block. So again, it is each block wise, no problem. 12,000. $168, है ना? Less. Deduction under section 24. A standard deduction at the rate of 30% of NAV. Correct? How much? Is it 50,400? And B, interest on borrowed capital. Interest on borrowed capital. How much is the current rate of interest they are given here? All of you? We allow on accrual basis, by the way. हाँ है ना? So interest paid बच्चों is 42,000. Yes. Everybody. But the cost is how much? The loan is of 5 lakhs. Yes or no? The loan is of 5 lakhs and the rate of interest is 10%. Yes, everybody. They have not given us much anything about how much principal is pending and this and that. So we will calculate simply on entire 5 lakh rupees. Okay, 10%. Yes, Chelio? And it is for again each block. So it is block basis. On block budget it is 5 lakhs. Ready? Next one. Interest on borrowed capital. Again we are assuming what बच्चों? Entire loan is not repaid, no? That's why. 50,000. Fine till here? How much is this? 168 बच्चों minus this figure is what, 67,600, is it बच्चों? Tell me. Is it right? That is income from house property. Second, income from business. Now they have given you some figure, bachcho. The income computed in respect of business prior to adjustment of only depreciation. All other things are bachcho considered. So only before depreciation is 2,20,000. Okay. So write down. Net profit before depreciation is 2,20,000 less depreciation on plant and machinery, because they are saying equipments now, calculated 30,000, and bachcho that house property, one block, important, will go under PGPP or no? Are you getting the point now? So depreciation bachcho should be provided on that part as well, that block. Understood? So less depreciation on building, other block which was used. Used for business. Okay, till here. Cost of the asset is 5 lakhs. And depreciation rate bachcho on building is 10% here also. Understood impact of this? Everybody? Done, everybody? This will go under CG, this part, that shares are sold. There is brought forward business loss. How much? 80. Allowed? Can we reduce? Yes, we can reduce from the same head of income. So less. Do we have balance or no? But I think we have balance, na? 80 gone. Yes, we have balance. So less. Brought forward business loss. How much bachcho? 80. Give me bachcho income from capital, income from business. 160. So 160 gone from 220. 60. है ना? Everyone okay till here? Right? Third, income from capital gain. It is STCG ना बच्चों, बट अनलिस्टेड है बच्चों, अनलिस्टेड चलेगा. STCG ओके. अरे हाँ, it is taxed at normal slab rates, by the way, if you remember, because it is unlisted. Are you getting my point or no? So 2,30,000 income minus purchase price 1,80,000. Directly bachcho I'm writing 50,000 here. Yes, income from capital gain, STCG, tax at normal slab rates. चलेगा? Any other income? No. Others बच्चों we have chapter 6 deduction only, है ना? So gross total income. Give me बच्चों. $110, $177,600 is it? चलेगा? Less. चैप्टर 6 डिडक्शन है ना. First one, section 80C. Yes, tell you all of you. LIP we have for self and son, है ना? $20,000 and $12,000. That is 32 allowed. Yes, still here. And second one, 80D. MIP. Allowed but only for what? 6,000. Not for the son. Any other thing we have here? 80TTA or 80GG. All of that is not coming into picture. So net taxable income. $139,600. Tax liability is also nil. Why? Nothing about non-resident, no, nothing about CG also. Okay, even your STCG, that STCG is also taxed at slab rates only. है ना? Everybody, write down just one point. All income, including STCG, on unlisted shares are taxed at slab rates. Therefore, tax liability is nil. Yes, still here? Done, everybody? All of you okay till here? हो गया? Okay, बच्चों? चलो then that is it for today, everybody. है ना? Okay, right? No problem. No? लिखो. Yeah.
सर सन का 5,000 क्यों नहीं दिया?
कौन सा वाला?
मेडिकल मेडिक्लेम प्रीमियम.
Because he is independent. Check here.
Okay.
Same son, na? For above son means this guy, and this son is drawing Sadi. He is independent. And for ADD we don't allow independent children.
Okay.
All right. That's it for today then. Okay.
Recording stopped.
YouTube वालों को बोलो एक मिनट, YouTube पे कोई है क्या? All right.